guys, we're going to do a mukbang because I'm starving and it's 4 o'clock and I went to Subway. And I don't know if you guys have ever tried their turkey, bacon, and guacamole wraps with the avocado wraps. Oh my gosh, they are so good. I'm going to show you what they look like. Then you can add your own vegetables, but here you go. Oh my goodness, thank you for this food. In Jesus' name, amen. Guys, this stuff is good. I didn't get any chips or anything. Nothing fattening. I know which one I eat. You see that? You can put your own vegetables on there. And this is the I think this is the avocado wrap or guacamole wrap. So good. I'm on my way to get groceries, and I figured I better eat first. Because, you know, then I'll buy everything inside if I don't. So, anyway. So delicious. I'm parked at a bank in the back of the parking lot by the trash can in the shade. But I got my air conditioner running. Turn down a little bit. Guys, you've got to try this at Subway. It is turkey, bacon, and guacamole wrap. First time I ordered this, I wasn't sure what it was going to be. But I ordered it and I was like, oh my! So every time I'm in the mood for something, you know, slightly healthy, I get this. And I have them put the spinach leaves on there instead of the lettuce. Most of the lettuce, to me, when you say lettuce, they give you way too much. It just don't look good. So, I always ask for the spinach leaves. And on mine I have banana peppers, bell peppers, tomatoes, spinach leaves, onions, mayonnaise light, and a dash of the oil and vinegar. The oil and vinegar gives it taste, gives it that kick flavor, you know. I stopped at that outlet and bought some stuff to put Mom together a plant for outside her door. And I also got her a real pretty wreath they had there too. Now, I've got to get her a hook. It goes over her door, you know, to hang a wreath on. Walmart's probably going to want an arm and a leg for it. I wish Dollar Tree would carry it. I don't think I can eat this other one. See? I'm hungry, but man, that's going to ruin too if I leave it in the car. I'm going to go in Walmart. may have to just put it in my purse and carry it. Finger looking good. Yeah, huh? Sorry about my hair. I took a shower. Where's my hair? It's just not cooperating with me. I don't know why. This is thebomb.com, guys. Apple Fuji water. Love these things. So good. I'm trying to hurry. It's 4:15. I still have to get groceries. Have to pick up some things for Mom. Probably don't get off till 7, so by the time I get all that done, he'll probably be getting off. Okay, well, I like mukbangs, so I don't know if you guys do or not. I always put mukbangs on my title to warn you guys, because there's a lot of people who don't like watching other people eat, you know? Sometimes. People say the most interesting things when they're eating. Not me, but, yeah, some people. Turkey's good too. Tastes fresh. And that bacon one's good too. Anyway. That was delicious. I was so hungry. Have another bite of that one too. Banana pepper fell out. My husband, I stopped by his work. He asked my car up for me. He filled it up. I never fill my car up when I get gas. I don't know why, but no. I just don't. I don't know. But he filled it up. Hubby always likes filling them up on full, and then that way you have plenty of gas. Plus, I think he's taking the car tomorrow. So having said that, probably he'll make sure he has plenty of gas. Because he didn't know where I was going today. Which, well, he knew I was getting groceries and stuff, but he didn't know everywhere I was going. So I guess he figured he'd gas it up. I told you I couldn't eat this other one, but man, it's so good. Obviously I can. I have a haul to do. I got some things over the last several days while I was busy with my mom. I've got to show y'all. And then I got a skort in the mail today. Beautiful. And for the life of me, I can't remember where I got it. And I don't even remember. I think my phone's ringing. Hang on. Guys, I don't think I finished my mukbang. My brother was calling me and I had to answer it because we had to meet somewhere. We were getting piece of furniture for Mom, and so I had to go when he could. But anyway, now I'm headed to Walmart, and it's 5:01. Can you imagine that? My more. guys, I tell you, I want to stop at Cato's, but I don't even know if they're open. If they say you have to wear a mask, I'm not going in. There's that. I'm sorry, but I'm not wearing a mask. I don't like it. I can't breathe. I don't know. I didn't realize I was claustrophobic until I put something on my face, and it's like, and the reason being, I have trouble breathing at night. I really do. And, yeah, I don't think they're open. And I know people's going to say, you need to go get tested, blah, blah. No, I'm not. I'm not staying somewhere overnight and them put me up to machines just to tell me I don't breathe, because I know I don't breathe. And what do they do for you? Not a lot. So anyway, my son went through that crap. And, you know, yes, we're open. Hallelujah. I'm going to find some good sales in here, guys. I can't wait. Okay, back from Cato's, and I do have a haul for you guys. I do. So, they had good sales in their clearance. I ordered, but you haven't seen it yet, so I'm going to show it in a haul, a white scalloped bottom skirt. And I've got to figure out where I found that at. But anyway, I ordered that, and I found a shirt perfect for it. It's green and white and black. I love green. I think green will go with my hair. Maybe, hopefully. Don't really care. Don't car. But anyway, I found that for $7 something. And I found a tank top that's lace and lace on bottom, because I can always wear, I'm not going to wear a tank top myself, because, I mean, come on guys, I'm 58 years old, fat, chunky monkey, and, you know, I'm a chunky chick. And when you're as old as me, you know, that little dangling, no, and no. There will be no tank tops for me, unless there's a shirt and a tie, which that's what I bought it for. Can I park there? Can I? Or is that for, I think that's for pharmacy. So I will just park here. Okay guys, I'm going in Walmart. So let's see what we can find in here. I gotta pee like a rushing racehorse. Alright, be right back. Hey guys, I'm on my way home. I'm sorry I didn't take you in Walmart with me. I was in a hurry. It's late, and I know. Excuses. Sorry, excuse me. Excuses all the time, I know. But it's getting late, and I had a lot of things to look for. Plus, I had to get groceries. So, guys, it was just one of those things. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. So, I am on my way home. You know? It is 6:34. I made pretty good time, considering I stopped at Cato's. And I told you I got a haul, but it's not going to be on this vlog. It's going to be a separate video. I've got some videos. As a matter of fact, I think I may even have a haul I've got to get up. And I will do that tonight. After I get all these uploaded to my computer, then I will start on one of my videos, get up on the internet, which by the time you're watching this one, then you would have seen them all, you know? So anyway, there's that. I'm trying to find my mom a door hook, you know, that goes over your front door, and you hang a wreath on it. And I thought Dollar General and Alma might have one, but they didn't. And Walmart, if Walmart has them, I just wasn't looking in the right place. Actually, you know what? I really wasn't even looking for one. I was looking at the plants, but I really wasn't, the fake plants, but I really wasn't looking for the wall hooks or door hooks. So, I guess I need to go back and look again. I hope I can find a black one. I know they have green ones, and I think they have red ones, but her door, as y'all seen on one of the videos, is black. So I would like to have a black door hook and then hang her wreath on it. Then that way the door hook will blend in with the black door, and you won't see it. You'll just see the wreath. That's what I have in mind. But who knows if it'll work or if I can find a black one. However, push come to shove, I can always. This thing is like way something. I can always spray paint it black, but I was kind of in a hurry just to get it and get it up on her door because it's so pretty. But, you know, like I said, I can always spray paint it if I can't find a black one. Don't know. I don't know. If they make red ones and green ones, surely they make black ones, right? Correct. Would I be correct? I had a lady tell me, two ladies, two different ones today, tell me, I sure do love your hair. And I'm like, thank you, I appreciate that. How sweet. Just how sweet. But anyway, I love when people compliment my hair because it makes me feel like my hair is where I think it should be. Does that make sense? I've always said, when you look at me, the first thing I want you to notice is my hair. And I've always thought in my mind, unless I have a hairstyle, nobody's going to notice it. You know what I mean? So, I mean, that's just in my mind for me, not anybody else, for me. So, I've had this style for, oh goodness, I've had it for years and years and years. Probably had it for a good 10 years, maybe 15. I've had this style. Same style. Same style. Which one time, I had it, all of this was long, and this was long. And it just drove me crazy. So then, I decided the older I got, I was like, okay, let's get that above the ears. Above the ears. See what you mean? There's that. Okay, there's that. So, yeah, I got some good bargains at Cato's. And I am so excited to show you. Okay, wait. It's going to be so fun. So fun. Guys, I know. I have watched The Grinch one too many times because I sound just like him. It's going to be so fun. The Grinch is my favorite, okay? That's my, well, I always said Sleepless in Seattle was my favorite all-time movie. But I got to tell you, The Grinch is just right up there sitting on that stool right next to it. You know what I'm saying? I just love The Grinch. I just love The Grinch. Cindy Lou and all of them, but The Grinch is my favorite. Sorry, there I go again. I just go off on this little Grinch trail. How old am I again? Way too old for that, I guess. But, hey, the child in me likes The Grinch, okay? So leave it be. Don't judge. Ooh, that was a Grinch thing too, wasn't it? Don't judge. Okay, enough of that. Enough of that too. Okay, guys. Let's just. It's getting late, and you can see the shadows in and out. So I'm going to get off of here. I'm fixing to turn down the road to my house, and so I am going to get off of here. And like I told you, I have a haul when I get home, and I also have a haul. I mean, well, I'm going to do it all at the same time. But I got some things in the mail over, well, day before yesterday, I think, and yesterday and today. You're going to like today's. You are going to like today's. If you like those lacy tank tops, those lace extenders, tank top lace extenders, you know, to put under your shirt, you're going to like what I have to show you. Okay? Because it's really sweet. So anyway, alright guys, I'm off here. I will catch you guys later. And you know the drill. Do I even need to say it? Subscribe. Click the bell. Ding ding. The bell goes. And share my channel. Okay? Okay. Alright guys, I'm out of here, and I'll catch you guys in another vlog, another video. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, morning, evening, noon, night, whatever it is. I hope it's just wonderful and blessed. So